are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. In this video I will tell you how to create a font space, so don't waste time, let's go. Now we have come here to Google and you can see different font space. Okay guys, you can see different font space and subscribe my channel. And if you are new, so there are different styles you can apply for take when you make any video for YouTube. Okay, so I give you one example. So here I select a font style. Okay, now I am going to show you stylish. You can select, and there's a lot of styles, hang stand, and so this is a best website from which you can create stylish font. Okay, now I am going to show you how to apply stylish font. So I request you watch this video till end. You will get a lot of benefit from this video. Okay, so let's move. Now I change a YouTube thumbnail, and next I write something on the pic art. Okay, now you can write something. Suppose I write computer word PJ. Okay, now I select those font style which I download, okay, from the Google. Okay, now you can see interface and my font style, and then you can go from download and select a font style. Okay, I select a font style different. You can see different font style in my font. Okay, recent I have download a few months. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy after watching this video. I select one font style, so you can see, and after that, so now I give you some steps so you can follow. Okay, best of luck.